If everything search is acting strange, showing missing results, or just not working properly, a reset can usually fix it. In this guide, I'll show you how to reset everything search back to default settings, clear its index, and start fresh without losing control of your system. First, make sure everything is completely closed. Check the system tray near the clock. Right-click the icon and choose Exit. If it's still running, open Task Manager and end the process there. Next, open everything again, then go to Tools and click Options. This is where most of the reset settings are stored, including folders, indexing, and search behavior. In the Options window, go to the Folders section. Remove any custom folders or network locations you added earlier. This will bring everything back to its default indexing setup. Now reset your search settings. Clear any filters like file type, size, or date. You can also reset layout options if your columns or view look different than before. To fully reset everything, you may need to rebuild the index. Close the app, reopen it, and let it rescan your drives. This process can take a few minutes depending on how many files you have, so just let it finish. If problems still continue, do a full reset by reinstalling everything. Uninstall it from Windows settings, then download the latest version from the official VoidTools website and install it again. After reinstalling, open everything again. It will start fresh with default settings and a clean index. Make sure to only add folders you actually want indexed, and that's how to reset everything search in 2026. Whether it's filters, folders, or indexing issues, a reset brings everything back to normal in just a few minutes.